Simplify the expression negative 4 minus 6 minus 6 plus 3. So in this case, we're going to combine what's in the parentheses, right? So 4 minus 6 is negative 2, minus 6 plus 3 is 9. Now, because this expression is it's just a single number in the parentheses, we can drop that out. So we get negative minus 2 minus 9. Now we can combine, or we can distribute the negative into the parentheses. So we get 2, because a minus times a minus is a positive, minus 9. And 2 minus 9 is negative 7. So that's our final answer. All right, so number 2, use long division to find 27 divided by 4. So when we're doing long division, we like to write our problem in this sort of pattern. And really, what we're asking is how many times does this number go into either, if it can go into this number, right? 4 doesn't go into 2, so we have to skip over it. But how many times 4 goes into 2? And if not, how many times does 4 go into 27 altogether, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say, how many times does 4 go into 2? It does not. How many times does 4 go into 27? Well, it goes into 27, let's see, 6 times, right? It goes, let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and then 24, correct? The next step would be 28, but 28 is larger than 27, so we skip over this. This is, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we put a 6 up here, and we subtract off 20. Oh, it's 24, sorry. We subtract off 24. Now, 27 minus 24 is 3. Now, how many times does 4 go into 3? Well, it goes into it 3/4. So 27 divided by 4 is 6 3/4. All right, multiply 25 by 22. So this is another one of those problems where the setup kind of matters. So we're going to rewrite this as 25 times 22. The little x here means multiplied. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say, what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10, okay? It's 10 is 2 digits, so we're going to take the first digit and put it up here, and we're going to drop down the 0. And then we're going to multiply 2 times 2 in this way, and that's 4 plus 1 from the 10 before, and that's 5, okay? Now we're going to say, we're going to move over to the second digit, this one, right? And we're going to say 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10 again. So we're going to put a 1 up here. We already have a 1 up there, so we can just kind of leave it. We drop down a 0, this time into the place over to the left. You see how it's below the 5. And we're again going to multiply 2 times 2. We multiply up. So that's 4 plus the 1 from the 10 before, which is, sorry, I was thinking just 5, right? Now we're just going to add straight down. So 0 plus nothing is just 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 5 plus nothing is just 5. So 25 times 22 is 550.